In the words of the great Boromir, one does not simply come to class unprepared. It is the last weekend before school starts. I'm prepared, but are you? Yes, today's the first day, so we're just going over the syllabus and then getting out 10 minutes after class started, right? So what are the tools you need to have before school starts? Number one, your lab manual. Your lab manual is your BFF. It is your survival tool in lab. If you don't have a new and unused lab manual, you're not going to be able to do the work. And we get to work day one. It's not just show up and talk about the syllabus and then you get to go. No, we go over the syllabus and then we dive right in. So do everything you can to make sure you have that brand new lab manual on the first day of school. Number two. Highlighter. Having a tool like a highlighter is really important, something that looks different from all the other notes you're taking. In a high volume content course like A&P, you want to be able to have something that tells your brain immediately, hey, this piece of information is really important. So make sure you have at least one thing, whether it's a highlighter, a gel pen, a colored pencil, something that's a different color from the normal writing utensil you use, and that is going to help you a lot from day one. Are you listening to me? My last tip is to get online and look at your course syllabus. Actually read through it. I know that sounds super boring, but if you have an idea of what the expectations are of your instructor is before you go to class, it's going to make that part a whole lot easier. You're not going to be playing catch up, and you will know what is important for that class. So get online, access that course syllabus, give it a look through, and then on day one, you're going to be golden. Look at your syllabus. For more tips, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, The Anatomy Gal.